suggestion is that managerialism is the seizure of power by managers at the expense of other stakeholders in an organization. In administrations as well as in companies suffering from managerialism, managers see themselves as a separate caste who have the right to decide on the objectives and the means to achieve them. They then impose their language and their managerial vision of the organization at the expense of those they are supposed to serve. For example, the managerialist hospital is a kind of hotel, a collection of beds whose occupancy rate is measured and where medicine is not practiced, but rather fee-for-service billing. Within a managerialist organization, non-managerial employees have lost all decision-making power and are gradually deprived of the means to do what they believe is their job. At the root of managerialism lies a weakening of professional authority, of those who care, those who do, those who serve their clients. In a managerialist organization, the authority of those who know how to do things has been replaced by the power of the one who thinks they know everything and therefore decides everything, the managerialist. To resist managerialism is thus to claim for oneself and to recognize in others the authority of those who do or those who know how to do. To resist managerialism is therefore to base management on expertise and competence. To resist managerialism is thus to require every decision maker to explain and justify their decisions through dialogue and the exchange of ideas, so that perhaps they realize there are other people besides themselves who know how to do things other than just make decisions.